The role of non-state actors is important in international relations according to which theory? कंस्ट्रक्टिविस्ट। इस थ्योरी के अंदर क्या होता है कि जिस तरह हर कंट्री की अपनी NGOs होती हैं, यानी कि नॉन गवर्नमेंटल ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस, जो कि क्या करती हैं, जो कि सोशल मूवमेंट्स के ऊपर क्रिटिकल रोल प्ले करती हैं। ऐसी NGOs जिनका गवर्नमेंट के साथ कोई भी प्रॉफिट के लिहाज से रिलेशन नहीं होता, उनको जो है वो कंस्ट्रक्टिविस्ट कहा जाता है। The Golan Heights has officially been recognized as a part of Daesh since the country won independence in 1944 सीरिया। गुलान हाइट्स जो है ये सीरिया के अंदर साउथ वेस्ट कॉर्नर में पाए जाते हैं, जो कि प्लेट्यूज हैं। The Premier League is an English professional footballer league that was established in 1992. The smallest country in the world is Vatican City. और largest country हमारे पास कौन सा है? रशिया। One for all for one is a collective security system. In which country was this silk discovered? China. 2700 BCE के अंदर चाइना में जो है वो सिल्क को डिस्कवर्ड किया गया था। एशिया हैज़ होस्टेड द समर ओलंपिक्स 4 times. The correct option is 4. China joined WTO in 2001. WTO World Trade Organization. International Court of Justice is headed by President. Pelješac Bridge located in Croatia. ये यूरोप के अंदर मौजूद है ये कंट्री। Who was the first woman to receive a Nobel Prize? Marie Curie. Marie Curie जो है इनका ताल्लुक पॉलिश और फ्रेंच से था। ये इनकी जो फील्ड थी वो फिज़िक्स और केमिस्ट्री में ये 2 बार नोबेल प्राइज़ जो है वो हासिल कर चुकी हैं। Which country lastly joined SAARC? अफ़गानिस्तान। SAARC South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation. It was that WHO declared that the world was facing a new variant of COVID, Omicron. The correct option is 26 November 2021. The original Olympic motto is made up of 3 Latin words: Citius, Altius, Fortius. It means faster, higher, and stronger. Imam Ghazali was born in, the correct option is Iran. The 5 permanent members of United Nations Security Council are UK, US, China, France, Russia. Which plane was used to drop atomic bomb on Hiroshima? B-29. In the objective resolutions of 1949, sovereignty belongs to Allah Almighty. Which kind of system of government was introduced in 1979 Constitution? Parliamentary. When was Communist Party banned in Pakistan? The correct option is 1954. Pakistan defeated Daesh in 1971 Hockey World Cup, Spain. The book The Sole Spokesman Jihad, the Muslims and Demand for Pakistan were written by Aisha Jalal. Pakistan purchased Gwadar from which country? Oman. Which bridge on Indus River is in the Sindh province? Jinnah Bridge, Ayub Bridge, Lansdowne Bridge, all of these. The correct option is all of these.